दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા
4.3 question number 8 page number 75. It is a very good question. In a countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas country like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here a linear equation that converts the Fahrenheit to the Celsius. The equation is given, and first the question is draw the graph of linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for the y-axis. Okay. So Celsius for x-axis. So we'll make the x-axis first. X-axis and y-axis. You will be given a graph paper. So I am drawing here. You will draw on the graph paper. Okay. So x-axis means Celsius. This will be Celsius. Celsius. Spelling mistake. Cell and CS. S-I-U-S. I have written C-I-U-S. Celsius. Cell and CS. Okay. So this is x-axis and y-axis Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. You know these Fahrenheit. The actual pronunciation is Fahren, and then height. H-E-I-T. That is on y-axis. Okay. We have an equation F is equal to, this is means F and this is C. This F is equal to 9 upon 5 times of C plus 32. You know, this appears to be just, I have told you in extension part of question number 1, fourth number part. Extension part, you will see. The link is given in the description. Means this is just similar to y equals to, this is m, you know, mx and plus c. Here m is value 9 upon 5, means more than 2. More than 2. This gives the direction of line. This. So again, these questions I have taught in the extension part. You must see there. M is equal to 5 2s are 10. Oh, less than 2 means y is equal to 2x plus 32. But this coefficient is somewhat less. Okay. So it's very easy to draw the line. We will take such that, suppose we will take c is equal to 0, then at that time you will get, so we will draw that. Okay, this is the extension part. I am going to make the table. So draw the table. Yes, this is F, this is C. If I take C is equal to 0, then what will be the value of F? And if we will take F is equal to 0, then what will be value of C? So these two conditions. And if sometimes, you know, this if any value here C or here F will be 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 in rational numbers, you know, so we will change another value, because here it will be very easy to take means integers value. So for this you can simplify the equation. Simplify means get multiply by the 5. Get multiply. C is equal to 0. When C is equal to 0, 9 upon 5 into C means 0. F is equal to 32. So it's very easy. When f equal to 0, 0 means this will be minus 32, this will be minus 32. Okay, solve it. When f is equal to 0, 9 upon 5 times of c plus 32. So this is minus 32. After that, 9 upon 5 times of c, 5 multiply and divide by 9. You will get value of c in minus. You know, it is not in natural numbers. Just write 5, 5 2 is 10, 16, 160 upon 9. Then 9 1 is 9, 7, 9 7 is 63, 3, and 3 means 9 3 is 27, 3, this is 17.333. So you can take it, you can take, because this is 3 na, the term will not terminate. So this is 17.33. You will if you not measure here, you will see it is coming automatically 17.333. Okay, can we take another value so that we can get a value of c in integer terms? Yes, because most of the times minus 32 will come here. Minus 32, you have to divide by 9. If this value, if you take this value such that the 9 divisible 9 will get divide of this one, then 9. Multiplication is not a problem, division of 9 is problem. So you will take a value such that the 9 will be divided, and when it will be divided, 9 4 ja 36. If 36 is maybe there, 27 also may be there, 27. So it will be divided. You will get 35 here. Okay, so let me solve. Let me raise this figure. These are the okay here. You know, when you are going to solve C4, so f minus 32, you will get f minus 32 equals to, f minus 32 is equal to 9 upon 5 times of c. And for c, you know, 5 multiply and upon 9. So what will value take such that, okay, so c is equal to what? F minus 32 multiply 5 upon 9. This is the formula. So 9 complete divide this one, and 32, you may be 0 also. What value you can take f, so that, because 0 divisible by all the numbers, so f, if you will take f is equal to 32, f is equal to, I have taken 0 now. If I will take 32, so 32 minus 32 0, and 0 into 5 0, 0 upon 9 0. So you will get c value 0. Oh, this you have already got. Okay, it's no use. So take another 0 1 9, you may have 9. So 32 and plus 9 8 and 1. If you take f is equal to 41, f is equal to 41, then 41 minus 32 means 9. 9 divided by 9, just write here 41 minus 32, you know, you will get 9, 5 upon 9. So once you will get c is equal to 5. This is, so this is the same value, so it's no use because we have done it. So this is the method to get a rational number. You may take again, I have taken 41, just 9 add, because you have to take multiples of 9. So 9 8 means 50. When you will take 50 minus 32, 18, 9 2 is 18, you will get 10. So this is, so but at the time we need to know only two values, f this one, or we may take this or this, and we are looking here the value of f is equal to 41, 50 will increase, and it is 0 10. So you can make equal division, and for f is here, you have to take 40 50 value, and you have to take here 10. So division of the, your unit is very important in drawing the graph. So you have to take 40. The length of the graph is mostly centimeter now, 1 2 3 4 5 to 6 centimeter. So take 1 centimeter is equal to 10, 1 centimeter, because it is given here 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, and 50, 60, like that. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Similarly here also. Actually we have to take here only 0, 5, 10. You can take 1, 2, 3 here also, or 5, 10. You can change the scale. If this is 10, 1 centimeter 10, you can change the scale to get a clear photo. 5. Otherwise you may take the same scale, 5, 10, 15, and then 20, then 25, like that. If this is a circle, the figure will be changed, but this is the line, so no figure will be changed. You can take, I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 10, you can take 10, 20 also. You will draw by yourself then. For the simplicity I have taken, because I have to take 5, 10, C is increasing slowly. It will be also increased. When you will increase this, it will be also increased. Again 59, 9 add 59 minus this one. So both are increasing. Or you may take equal also, because some teachers will be awkward. So take equal also, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. Okay, so the first point is C is equal to 0, F is equal to 32. So C is equal to 0, this is 0, and F is equal to 32, 10, 20, 30, you will get here 32. The point intercept on the y-axis. This is, I have told in my another video. This is, you may take F equal to 0, 17.33. F is equal to 0 means we don't have V here, 17.33, 10, this is 17.33, means you can get here 17.33. After that 5 is equal to 41. When you take C is equal to 5, C is equal to 5. Yes, C is equal to this. When C is equal to 5, this is 41. When C is equal to 5, this is 41. Oh yes, this is 17. C is equal to 5, then 41. C is equal to 0, then I have taken 32. Okay. When F is equal to 0, I have taken 17.33. When C is equal to 5, C is equal to 41. 41 minus 32, 9, 5. When C is equal to 5, 41. Oh yes, I have done mistake. What? At this time, this is the negative. Yes, minus 17.33. Negative. This should be negative. So at this time, I have taken this one, na? No. Minus 17. This one. Just you can see. Minus 30. Minus. This was minus. So I have mistake minus. So minus 17.33. So this is, when you take 5 is equal to 41, means 41. This is the half and this is the 41. You are observing, this all make a line. this. This. And f is equal to 10, this will be 50. When 10, this will be 50 here. This is the point. This is the 41, this is that, this is. So this is the graph. Means actually the direction of the line is positive. Positive means when the value of C will increase, the Fahrenheit also will increase. But the changing is different. It is changing here only 5 and you are getting here 9 because the ratio is 9/5. So this is the graph. Okay. After that, draw the graph using this and this. You will write here, yes, 10-20 centimeter scale also, scale is very important. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit. You will write like this. In x-axis in both x and y. Okay. So this was the first question. If the temperature is 30 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 30 degree, if this is 30, then at this time you will see the temperature Fahrenheit will also increase. So you can find here. So yes, this will help. We have two formulas. If the C is given, you can find this formula. If the F is given, F minus 32. Okay. So the question number 2 is there. Question number 2 is there. If temperature is 30 degree, means C is given. If C is 30 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So place the value. F is equal to 9/5 times of C 30 plus of 32. So 5 6 ja 32, 6 9 ja 54 and plus 32, 54 and 32, 54, 56, 86. This is the second answer. F is equal to 86. You are observing here, when C is equal to 30, its value will be 80. It will increase 70 and then 80. You can see all this value on this graph. It is not observing here. F is equal to 86. Means you can get a point C is equal to 30 here. Suppose this is, if this is 30, this is 30, you are getting F is equal to 86, means integer. You can take these values also to draw the line. These all points lies on the graph. So this was question number 2. Question number 3, if the temperature is 90 degree. For the question number 3, F is given and you have to find in C. So F is 95. So write 95 degree is equal to C plus of 32. So 95 minus 32 first. So 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 3, this 63 is equal to this I have minus 63. Then 5/9 is equal to C. 9 7 ja and 7 5 ja 35. You are getting C is equal to 35. This again a value, if this is 35, you are observing here, its value increases. F is equal to 95. This is 20 degree you have increased, here 36 increased, here you have increased only 5 and here 9. Whenever 5 to 10, the difference is 5, you are getting here 9 changes, 9. 30 to 35, 5 changes, you are getting here 9, because this was 9, this was 5. Okay, this was the third part. And what about the fourth part? If the temperature is 0 degree, if the C is 0 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 32. So this is the fourth number part. Solve it. And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, this is what is the temperature in Celsius? I have solved again earlier. So this is the fourth number part. If is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Now is a question very interesting. You know, at this time, for in my extension class, I may teach you. If you draw this line, you know, this was the 9, f is equal to 9 upon 5. This was 5 upon 9 upon 5. He is asking if you draw f is equal to c. F is equal to c means this. F is equal to c. This the middle line. You know, f is equal to c. So whether it will cut this graph at any point? The answer is yes. This, you know, these all lines, you know, 45 degree. This is f is equal to c. It is not, it is an hypothetical, but you know, f is equal to c. When f is equal to c, will cut this line at this negative point, na? So you will see, yes, c is negative and f is also negative. So what is that value we have to find when f and c will be equal? Okay, now it's very good question. So where is the point where it is cutting? So you don't have to do a lot of things, only you will place f is equal to c here, or you can place c is equal to f here, both. Fifth number by the solving. This is by practical, this is by solving. So place, if f is equal to c, then place this equation f is equal to c. So let me write here c is equal to 9 upon 5 times of c plus of 32. It's a very good question, you know, you will see. Let me erase this. This is the last. Yes. So now solve. You have to find the value of c. So c, this will come here. C common, 1 minus 9 upon 5 is equal to 32. 5 minus 9, c 5 minus 9 means minus 4 upon 5 is equal to 32. Then c is equal to 32 upon minus of 4. 4 8 is a, and minus is included here, minus 40. You know, this is c is equal to minus 40. C is equal to minus 40, f is equal to minus 40, because f and c are equal. F is equal to minus 40. This I have told you already here. This will be minus 40 when you will draw the actual graph, na? This is 10, 20, 30 and 30 and 40. You will see here, this is the 40 and this is also 10, 20, 30 and 40. This is, you will see, this is 40, this is 40, this is minus 40 degree centigrade and this is 40 minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Both are equal because the lines is crossing at a one point. So this was the question. Some things more I want to tell you about this question, and I will try to make an extension part of these questions. The question is very interesting. The directions of the line is defined by the coefficient of f or c, means y and x, just like. So I will make an extension part of this video, this question, so must see it.